morning, viewers. Welcome to information channel about project-based BTS with the project them making 3D holograms.
My name is Dana.
On Thursday, the 21 Sanyu Park Junior High School, a grade students conducted a BTS projects in collaboration with maths, mathematics, science, and English at school. Learners made a tapered pyramid as a practical material for making 3D holograms, which was made from 4 congruent or twin trapezoid. Here, I will interview the short when making 3D holograms, what tools and material are used to make 3D holograms, and what size is used to make 3D holograms.
Learners made a tapered pyramid as a practical material for making 3D holograms, which was made from 4 congruent or twin trapezoid. First, learners designed the leg of the base and base of the trapezoid, which are 14 cm and 11 cm. Then calculate the height of the trapezoid using the Pythagorean formula and obtain a height of 9,7 cm. The tools and material used to make the mica pyramid are mica plastic, scissors, buffalo paper, isolation, ruler, stationery. The essence of the process of making a mica pyramid is to make 4 congruent trapezoids, then combine the theme into one so that truncated pyramid of mica is formed. Then arrange the pyramid upside down a smartphone by the hologram video so that shadow appears on the mica.
After observing the difference, what image can you see?
After making observation on the hologram, the learners then analyze the difference between the image of the shadow, the nature of the shadow, the exposure of the nature of light, difference of shadow image. Shadow are collateral if they occur due to the interaction of reflected or refractive rays, cannot be reflected or biased rays, cannot be seen directly by the eye but can be captured by the screen. Whereas shadow are called virtual when they occur due to the interaction of an extension of reflected or refracted rays, can be seen directly by the eye.
What properties of light occur in hologram?
Properties of shadow. 1. Light can be reflected. 2. Light undergoes reflection. 3. Light experiences interference. 4. Light experiences diffraction or bending and polarization.
And how are the properties of shadow on hologram explained?
Exposure of the properties of light. The image formed by a mirror or lens can be equally perpendicular to the object. It can also be upside down, while the size can be as large as the object, reduced or enlarged. Reflection is occurring in the direction of propagation of light in the direction or medium of its origin, after minimum interface of two mediums. Refraction or diffraction of light is the event of bending the direction of light when passing through the boundary plane between two mediums that differ in optical density. Interference is a phenomenon that occurs when two or more waves meet and interact with each other. Diffraction is the phenomenon in which light, sound, or other waves bend or spirt when passing through an obstacle or gap. Polarization is phenomenon in which the vibration or oscillation direction of a light wave, electromagnetic wave, or mechanical wave is restricted to one particular direction.
The constellation is Sagittarius due to the interaction of Bias Ricci and cannot be seen directly by the eyes. The virtual Sagittarius due to the interaction of the extension of reflected Bias Ricci and can be seen directly by the eyes. We can also understand the properties of light such as reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, and polarization from the result of 3D hologram making. The manufacturing process involves designing, measuring, and calculating using the Pythagorean formula. With use mica and smartphone, we can create a 3D hologram that is actually the same as the original.
Thank you.